Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable screen rotation on your iPhone device. Now I'm going to show you what I have right here. If I am going to go ahead and scroll down here from the upper right, you should be able to see something like this. Now what you're going to see is this control right here, that is the screen rotation. If you don't see it, go ahead and click the plus sign right here, and then go ahead and click the bottom one. Oops, this one right here. This says add control, and then you're just going to find it somewhere right here. So go ahead and type here rotation or screen rotation, and yeah, I'm not able to see it because it has been added already. But basically, once you find it, what you are going to do is just see if it is white, it is enabled, meaning you cannot rotate. So if I go ahead and open, say for example, Google Maps, and I'm going to turn my phone, you can see it's not moving. However, if I'm going to go ahead and check this one, I can then go ahead and start rotating my phone. So just like so. Now you can go ahead and rotate it once again and again, everybody. That's how you're going to enable or disable the screen rotation on your iPhone device.